If you've been asking that question, how can I cook yam pepper soup? How can I cook pepper soup? How can I cook Guinea Fowl pepper soup? Then this is the video for you to watch. Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. It helps the channel to grow. So just in the comment section, I'm going to be listing out properly the exact amount of ingredients I used to achieve this pepper soup. So you just have to check it so you can get the accurate amount. So we're going to be using our onions, our cayenne pepper, tomatoes, scent leaf, our spring onions, ginger and garlic, ehuru, and also any protein of your choice. And then in my case, I used the guinea fowl. So yes, let's get into it. In your pot, you add your seasoning cubes, then you add your blended pepper mix, the first set of the blended pepper mix. I'm going to identify it, like I said, in the comment section. Then you just stir properly and allow everything to marinate. So I want my spices to enter into my protein very well. So when I put my protein on fire, I am going to turn it perfectly well. I'm just going to be continuing mixing to make sure that every part of my meat gets the seasoning. Once you have allowed your guinea fowl chicken to come up to a boil, you're going to add your ginger and garlic paste that you pounded. Then you just add a little amount of water, you stir again properly, and you allow it to cook. Now add your pepper soup spice. Add a lot, not too much, but something that will give. You just have to make pepper soup that has a pepper soup taste. Then I go in with my Ehuru spice. I pounded my Ehuru, so you can get that from the market. You make sure you cover your pot and allow it to cook for a while. Then you now go in with your crayfish spice and then you stir it again, allowing the ingredients to enter into your pepper soup. So I didn't show it in the video, but I had to test to make sure that the soup was tasting like there was pepper soup spice in it. You can see me adding and adding and adding. I was just adding because I was not testing the pepper soup spice yet, so I just added. So just make sure you're testing your food to make sure it tastes as much as it tastes, because you can just put a little bit, just you can put a little bit and it will not taste. So like, what's pepper soup if it doesn't have the taste of pepper soup? Yeah, so add your pepper soup spice properly. So make sure to test your food for seasoning cubes so that you're making sure that your food is as tasty as it is, and then you can add salt. So now once my food has come up to a boil, I'm sure that it has boiled and I'm sure that my meat is as soft as I want it to be. I'm going to go in with my scent leaf, not too much. Scent leaf is just an added taste. It's not, you're not cooking soup. So don't add too much of your scent leaf. And yeah, that's it. Easy peasy, right? So yes, try out this method and tell me how you like it. And also guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do that. Support our growing channel, and thank you so much for watching our video. Until next time, bye.